So, good morning, students. So, let's continue the chapter, lesson 9, the zebra's pajama. So, as we have seen, that zebra is very lazy and he would promptly change into his pajamas and go to sleep. So, if anyone says him to go anywhere, he always refuse and would promptly change into his pajamas. Promptly means at once change into his pajamas and go to sleep. So let's continue. A little zebra more or less lived in his pajama. So as he was very lazy, he always lived in his pajama at home. He is very lazy. See how he is sleeping. However, as he was the youngest, his brothers and sister never said anything to him. So, as you know, I have told you, the zebra was the youngest of his brothers and sister, and they never said anything to him that he is not doing taking actively part in anything. But he was the youngest. Now, his brothers and sisters never said anything to him. That's why he grew lazier and lazier because sisters and brother they are not telling anything to him. So that's why he grew lazier and lazier. And one day the king of the animal world called all the animals for a meeting. So one day what happened? The king of the animal world, lion is the king. Na? So he called all the animals for a meeting. So what happened then after that? And it was to decide how the kingdom should be ruled. Why the king has decided to take a meeting? To how the kingdom should be ruled. They have to decide that all the animals were to take part in making the decision. So he invited all the animals of the kingdom to take part in that meeting and to make the decisions. So, of course, the horse family was also called because all the animals are called in that meeting. So, horse family naturally was also called in that meeting. And Stallion and Palomino woke up earlier than usual. So, Stallion and Palomino, as you know, were very active and they woke up earlier than they are just usually they are waking up. So, they woke up earlier than usual, because they have to go for the meeting also. First of all, they went for their morning run and then were ready for the meeting. And Mule too, woke up early enough, did all his work and got ready for the meeting. So Mule also was very hardworking. So he also got up early and did all his work. What he has to do, he did all his work and then got ready for the meeting. But little zebra, he was very lazy and he was still in his pajamas. Just see, he was very lazy and he was still in his pajamas. And Mule nursed Zebra, his brother Stallion, and sister Palomino prodded him. So Mule nursed Zebra. What do you mean by nursed? Nursed means to push somebody, and his so Mule nursed Zebra. Mule push him so that he will also go in meeting, and his brother Stallion and sister Palomino prodded him. Means they also pushed him to go and just get up and go for a meeting, but he refused to go. You see, but he refused to get up as he was very lazy, and they have prodded him. Prodded him means pushed him to just get up and go for a meeting. They refused to, he refused to get up because he was very lazy. He was never able to wake up early in the morning. And then they left him at home and went off for the meeting. But they were scared of what would happen. But the three, Stallion, Palomino, and Mew, they were scared. They were very afraid of what would happen now, what the king will say, that Zebra is not here in the meeting. Sure enough, the king noticed Zebra's absence. So now, what the king noticed? The king noticed that all animals came in the meeting, but who is not here? The king noticed Zebra's absence, that zebra is not here. So he was furious. Furious means he was furious. Lion was very furious, means very angry to find that someone could disobey him. That by not coming in the meeting, it means that someone is disobeying him. So he demanded that zebra be brought to him immediately. So now the king said that the zebra should come here as soon as possible. Stallion ran home as fast as he could. Then who ran home? Stallion ran home to tell Zebra to come in the meeting. So he ran as fast as he could see and woke up Zebra and told him that the king had ordered him to come immediately. And what he told Zebra and told that the king had ordered him as he was not in meeting. Now king had ordered him and king was very angry and ordered him to come immediately, that now only he has to attend the meeting. So poor zebra was so scared, he was also very frightened, बहुत डरा हुआ था, that he ran as he had never run before. Now he was very lazy, but now he ran as fast that he had never run before like that. Now they are just running and going for a meeting and even forgot to change his pajama. As now he was scared now and even forgot to change his pajama. Now Zebra forgot as he was in night pajamas. So he forgot to change his pajama when he was going in the meeting. The king, seeing Zebra in his pajamas, became even angrier. And when the king saw Zebra in his pajama, and he became more angry that he came in this pajama in the meeting. First of all, because of his absence, also he was angry. Now he came in pajama. Now king was very angry. He shouted at Zebra for delaying the meeting because he delayed the meeting, not attended the meeting, and daring to come before me in your pajamas. And now he came in pajama, night pajama before the king. See, now what he said, you will now never be able to remove them. Now what king is saying that now you will not able to remove this pajama. Your descendants too will forever have to wear them. Let your descendant, mean your grandchildren and the children, those who come after, will forever have to wear these pajamas. And to this day zebras wear pajama. So as he was very angry, so but he has told that for delaying this meeting also and just came meeting in this pajama. So what he had told zebra that you will now never be able to remove this pajama, and you also and your descendants mean the children or the grandchildren and the all the children that who come after also will be just see like in this pajama. And to this day zebras are wearing pajamas, means this is the story only, but zebras you can see now they are having white and black stripes, so that is because of the skin. Okay, not wearing the pajama, but according to the story, that according due to that now zebras are wearing pajamas. Okay, so we don't have to be lazy like zebra. Okay, we should be active in whatever we are doing. We should be active. And what, like in school also, whatever activity we are doing, we should take part in that activity. Don't be lazy. Okay, so thank you students, and I will send you the worksheet also. Okay, thank you.